Hello, warm welcome to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to see certain tips to set up a productive work from home office. Right? Work from home has become the order of the day since the pandemic, and it will, I think, continue for lot of time to come. And also there are many jobs out there in the market, especially the freelancing jobs where we can really work from home. Okay, so in order to increase our productivity and for us to perform better, we definitely need to follow certain workplace tips even though we are working from home. Let us try to see what they are. Okay, first one, a dedicated workplace, right? See, work from home gives the comfort of working from home and from anywhere, but still it is always productive. You can always perform well when you have a dedicated space, especially for your work. Okay, even in your home, like a bedroom or a part of your living space. Okay, or just in the basement or wherever it is possible for you, try to find out a place, a dedicated workplace. Okay, don't just randomly sit at different places and start working. That will not give you that mood and energy. But instead, if you find out a place, a dedicated workplace, that definitely, going there and sitting there will elevate those feelings of being at work, and that automatically influences our positively influences our productivity. Okay, so try to find out a dedicated workplace and add some physical dividers to your workplace. Like, you can do these divider things, like just to separate from the rest of the house. Okay, and the people in your home, in your house. Okay, just to give you a sense of being truly and committedly at work. Okay, like just a small curtain, or if possible some door kind of a thing, if it is possible. Okay, or you can also have a small do not disturb thing. Okay, so that others in your home can really respect your privacy and your work time. Okay, so those physical dividers can separate you from the rest of the place or the rest of your home and give you a sense of really being at work. Okay, so that when you enter that private workplace of yours, then you also will get a feeling of truly being at work, and that creates a mood and an atmosphere of more productivity and efficiency. Okay, add a personal touch in the sense, like, many people would love to have some background music, or the kind of color theme, or the colors on the walls, or having some motivational quotes on the workstation, or something like that, something very personal, something which you really like. Okay, so that if you enter that part of your home which you have made up personally, that elevates your mood, that creates that mood of being at work, and that will positively influence your productivity and efficiency as well. Okay, next, keep your workspace well lit. Lighting does the magic. If the lighting is so dull and gloomy, it has a kind of negative impact on your mind. But instead, if you have a bright light, bright colors around on the walls and like that, that definitely has a positive impact on your mind. And this is backed by research also, that well lit place elevates the mood of the people. Okay, so you're working from home, if you have that place, separate place which is well lit, if possible with natural light. And if natural light is not possible, at least a good illuminated artificial lighting. That also makes your mood elevated and positively affects the performance and efficiency. Okay. Next, buy the right equipment. That is very, very important. All the physical equipment, the kind of laptop, the table, the chair that you sit, that is also very important to avoid certain physical health issues like back pain and all. You have to see to it that you are comfortable in your workplace, not just lying on the bed or sitting in the sofa and doing the job is not something which can lead to productive output. Okay. Next, tidy up your space. We cannot stress more on this because the more clutter you have around you, the less productive you become. Unknowingly, it has a lot of negative impact on us. So you have to tidy up your place and keep your workplace neat and clean. Just allot a few minutes and tidy up the place, arrange your papers and whatever stationery you have around you, and then start working. That will definitely have a positive effect on your productivity. Okay. Get faster internet. Quite obvious, right? You should not have any issues with your internet. Okay. Otherwise, definitely those unwanted, unwarranted breaks because of slow internet, that kills your productivity, right? So these are a few work from home workplace tips to improve your productivity. Thank you.